Greetings, Ascended Nation. So I'm coming to you with the final world message for tonight. Okay, so country, France. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right. Do know that this does not necessarily have to directly affect you or have anything to do with you, because you know this is world messages. This could be something that's been on the news, and y'all know I read past, present, future energy. So take what resonates, what does not. Leave it right here. Switch the roles if need be. Let me go ahead and get these first. All right, Spirit. We talking about France. Something could be significant about an airport or an airplane. Okay, air travel. 747 energy could be significant. All right. Let's see. France. What is going on when it pertains to the energy of France? Uncloak the energy when it pertains to the energy of France. What does the collective need to know? What needs to be known? So it's some strange sounds that's going on over there. What's going on? France. We got U, V, W, and X. Something could be significant about the sun. UV, sun. We have farmland. We got sanitation. Sanitation came out for Delaware. Okay, so Delaware could be significant. I also was picking up Florida, and I already did Florida. We got law and order. We got 1960 to 1980. Okay, so let's go on and get through these. Strange sounds in France. Let's see. What's going on with these strange sounds in France? Source. Strange sounds in France. What y'all over there doing? Strange sounds in France. Place of remnants, nostalgia, memories, sentimental, childhood, reflection. Okay? So somewhere it could be being haunted, especially because Spirit keeps referring back to, I put out a reading a long time ago. And if I can find it, I'll try to repost it. But it's an old reading. And I picked up an energy of children being stolen. Something was significant about children in France. I'm almost positive it was France. And the theft of children. Okay, I was picking it up heavy. Okay, if I can find a reading, I'll try to tag it. It's coming up for some reason here, especially with this reflection child. Some of you, this is where you come from. Okay, all right, let's see. Or it's some form of connection there, and that's why the strange noises is happening. All right, let's see. All right, Spirit, tell us more. We got exposure surrounding the death. Somebody could have filmed this. Okay, somebody thought it was funny. Could be significant. Tell us more. Yeah, I keep saying he filmed. We got glamour magic as well. All right. So these strange noises, I just saw sacrifice. It's because something involving a death cover-up. Okay. There's a breakthrough when it pertains to this death cover-up. Okay. All right. Strange noises. And this could be a warning of a breakthrough coming as well with the strange noises. What's this? We have a clone, copycat, masculine. All right. And we have resort. I picked up resort earlier. We got in the in-between. And I saw sacrifice again. I gotta take it. I gotta take it. Yep. All right. Strange sounds. What's this strange sounds for France? Why is this here? Uncloak this energy. What's these strange sounds for France? Unveil this energy source. Thank you. We got water. So something could be going on when it pertains to water. There could be sounds coming from the water. Okay, there could be some noises over water or beneath water. There could be lights. There could be things coming out of the water. Okay, what's this places? Rumbles. We got dating. So someone that somebody dated could be significant. Okay, and there's some sort of connection when it pertains to you as a child, somebody as a child. What's this exposure surrounding the death? Sacrifice. A couple. So there's a couple that was behind sacrificing somebody when it pertains to France. I repeat, okay? There was a couple that was behind sacrificing somebody, and they're being exposed. It's going to be a breakthrough when it pertains to this couple that had a hand in sacrificing someone here. Okay, or they're behind sacrifices. Okay, what's this breakthrough for France? Strange noises, a man-made disaster. Yeah, they caused a man-made, a vehicle is significant. Something that you travel in or on is significant. Okay. Yeah, there's a clone copy masculine that's taking a fall. Okay. Yeah. What's this resort? When it pertains to France and these strange noises. What's this resort? Yeah, that's because it's about to be the breakthrough is here, baby. Regrets. Yeah. What's this? Yeah, because somebody here ain't trapped. Okay, but somebody else is feeling trapped. Somebody else here in their head. What's this in between? We got mind control in reverse. Somebody is now under some sort of control. Okay, somebody cannot be controlled. What's the sacrifice? Yeah, somebody here was going to make something look like a crime of passion. Okay, what's the sacrifice? Life insurance. I can't fucking make it up. It's a couple that will be exposed for a hit out here that they had on somebody. They sacrificed somebody. They got money from this. There's a breakthrough when it pertains to France. There are strange noises. If the noises ain't already happening, it's coming. The element of water is significant. No games. They not playing. Y'all want to do dirty shit. Okay? Not understanding that these ancient beings get down and dirty as well. Okay? We got U, V, W, and X when it pertains to France. Person, place, or thing. First, middle, and or last initial. What's this energy? The number 21. So the world, the universe is significant. The universe is at play. The letter V, vision. Something could be significant about some sort of vision that you've had or something you've seen. It can even be these people receiving vision. Spirit sending them warnings. Okay. The letter W is definitely cult energy up in here. Okay. Something about cult. And the letter X, baby, finances going down the drain. Okay. Do anything for stability. Desert and church. Arid landscapes, dunes and sands, endless horizons. This church energy again. Okay. Hotel. This could be some members leaving their members high and dry. Okay. But they are all a part of the same shitty ass scheme. Point blank periods. What's going on here, Spirit? Sexual assault. So somebody ass is getting in trouble for sexual assault. Okay. Tell us more. I just saw torture. Tell us more when it pertains to France. I just saw incubus. Tell us more when it pertains to France. There go that arcade energy again. Just there could be a connection to Chile. Tell us more when it pertains to France. Uncloak this energy. Famous food chain. And we got in between again, and we have a masculine. A foul play when it pertains to a masculine targeting a masculine. Okay? Some form of foul play here. Yeah. Something was lies when it pertains to a so-called crime of passion. It was a lie. It was an assault. Sexual assault. Confirmation, somebody could have did this to a masculine. What's this UVWX? Somebody that someone was married to? Or two people that are married. Okay? This could have been, something could be significant here about two people working together, two masculines, and one of those masculines was married to a feminine energy. Okay, so I'm getting that. I'm also getting something could possibly be significant here about same-sex marriage, but it's not coming through as heavy. But something about a wedding, somebody targeted somebody here, possibly a masculine, fast food chain, justice, we got desert. So leaving something behind. I was picking this up. Like, because something has something to do with what you not knowing what you're consuming. Okay? Okay? You not knowing what you're consuming. Okay? What's this church? And I've seen it in multiple of these while I've been doing these world messages. Okay? The confirmation's been coming out. What's this church for France? Uncloak them. Mind control and dating. So it's a masculine and a masculine and foul play, but it's some mind control significant here. Okay, it's some manipulation, mental manipulation, and it involves a church. France is significant. It heavily is significant because it's about France. It involves a church, mind control, church, dating, and it flew over here on this masculine and another masculine and foul play. Okay? Somebody is out here is a serial killer. And then we got this sexual assault here. Give me this S assault. Drugging and poisoning people. Drugging and important. We still got, baby, drugging and poisoning people. And this got something to do with being in a simulation, like something with the mind, something with the mental. Okay, it's significant. Yeah, it's mind control. It's already having an imbalance mentally, but it's also mind control, and then you get this serial killer energy. Okay, what's this famous food chain? It's heavy manipulation in this message. I can feel it. What's this famous food chain here? We got S word. So somebody didn't off themselves. Somebody didn't do. Say it was a lie. Somebody was poisoned, and it involves a church. Famous food chain. They were poisoned. Okay, and they're in the in between. It involves a church. Yeah, meeting. This could be some spirits meeting about this shit. Okay. Okay. Yeah, lies. It was some lies surrounding this masculine. Yeah, lies. Trying to run away. Money. They're trying to travel. Someone here is trying to get away. Somebody could have did something to somebody at a party. Somebody trying to run though. Farmland. Stolen. Okay. Something being found on somebody's land or farmland or whatever it may be. Tell us about this farmland. Clear, accurate communication source. and loving ancestors. Uncloak this energy surrounding France. The heart of France. Uncloak this energy. Farmland. Thank you. Home. Farmland and a home is significant. Mystic haven, enchantment, esoteric, magic, intrigue, hidden wisdom. Didn't I say it's heavy manipulation? Something could be like wooded, something in a wooded area or like grassy area, something like that. Yeah, farmland and a home. I'm telling you, when I tell you I didn't pick this up long time ago. Give me some more here with this France. Confidential again. This came out. It sure did. Confidential came out for Virginia. Sure did. Sure the fuck did. Sex trafficking. I know what I'm picking up on. 4 or more. Satanic. Exposure surrounding obsession. I don't know what the fuck these people be thinking this is. Okay? I don't know what they be thinking this is, baby. This satanic has a lot to do with that church. Okay? Confidential. The Virginia reading is connected to this. What's this farmland in France? I call judgment on every last one involved. Every last one involved. What's this farmland in France? Uncloak this energy source. What's this farmland involved? Farmland. Death in reverse. Greed. So something could be significant here about something that came from a death here. Somebody who transitioned, somebody could have left somebody something and somebody stole it or tried to steal it. I'm picking up both energies. Take what resonates, what doesn't, leave it right here. Okay. I'm also picking up the energy of somebody thinking they could take somebody out in order for them to keep something secret or keep something hidden. I also mentioned that something could be found on farmland. Something could be buried. Hold on. I think I just shared a news article. What's this home? What's this home? In France? Perverts? So something significant about a pervert within a home, watching a home, could have harmed somebody connected to this farmland. Okay. What's this confidential? Or try to. What's this confidential? Uncloak this France energy. Sealed documents. Something they've been trying to hide. What's this France? Yeah. And landfill came out in reverse. I'm telling you, this shit coming out. We just saw a breakthrough. Yeah, exposure surrounding a death. Sex trafficking. It's a breakthrough here. Show the fuck is. Yeah, we got fake death at the bottom. On paper, it could show somebody is dead. What's this? A fake death certificate could be significant. Yeah, somebody came with a calm water. They caught up. And too, with this boat energy, I just picked this up in another reading. When I said something being transported. All of this shit is connected. Yeah. Yep. Somebody here came with a calmer water. That's for calmer waters. That's for certain. But this goes back to, what did I say? I have a reading that I did a long time ago about children being taken, moved around. All of that shit, bruh. I'm telling you. What's this 4 or more? 4 or more people possibly involved. Most definitely. What's this 4 or more? Working so hard to keep something hidden. An affair. Nasty. Nasty. It's that nasty, funky ass satanic. They are animals. Dirty, dusty ass animals. That's what they are. What's this? A different type of species. What's this satanic? Inside. It's being exposed. These tunnels. France. Okay? Yeah. It's being exposed. Yeah. Exposure. Surrounding obsession. What is this? France. Drugs and poison. A child. Children. Baby, when I tell you. Hold on to your wigs. Hold on to your fucking wigs. Drugging and poisoning children. Hold on to your wigs. And I'm going to see if I can find that article about that little girl that was found on the body. I'm assuming it was a little girl found on a fucking farmland. Yeah. Law and order. Like I said, these people ain't fooling nobody but they self, bro. What's this law and order? France, law and order. My yak gonna lay the smack down on a couple motherfuckers. Point blank period. What's this France? Law law and order. This mess don't make no sense. What's this? Park. So something that took place in a park. Bank. And it involves a banking institution. I'm getting that childhood energy again. For some reason I am. Nature's haven, recreational space, picnic, retreat. I sure am. The first card that came out under France, when we did the first spread, childhood. What's this law and order? 4 and more and confidential again. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Tell us more. So torture. This satanic energy affair, 4 or more. Something about torture. Yeah, a masculine. We just picked that up. Masculine and foul play. We got personal, under confidential. I bet. I bet. When I tell you, these people are indebted and they mess with kids, bro. They doing shit with children. I'm trying to tell you. When I seen that article, I already knew what time it was. What's this law and order? France. Intuition. Like I said, when I seen that article, I already knew what time it was. Intuition, personal, confidential. I know what I'm picking up on, baby. Sure do. We got fake death again. Somebody lied on a fucking death certificate. What's this 4 or more? What's this 4 or more here for France? Judgment. 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 Tenfold. What's this? The devil. I told you, satanic. We just saw it. Confidential. It ain't. It ain't. Social media. Yeah, y'all watching? I know y'all watch. Yeah, cover up in reverse. A masculine energy. We're trying to cover something up. Keep something covered up. It's not. It's not happening. What's this masculine energy? Healing. Something that you could have healed from. Okay, it's significant. I'm also getting an energy that can't heal. What's this personal? And if this is somebody that's needing justice, they're receiving it. What's this personal? Legal proceedings. I know what I'm picking up on. I know exactly what I'm. But life insurance policy. Yes. But it's null and void. Ain't happening, Captain. At all. The ship is sinking, bitch. I know exactly what I'm picking up on. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. 1960 to 1980 could be significant. Something transpired, okay, between those years. This could also be, yeah, look. And I'm going to take them. I'm going to take them. Place of remnants. Bank. Come on, bruh. Crossroads. Yeah. Scorching lands. Fires. Wildfires could be significant because these people want to play. They want to play. Yeah, masculine again. Somebody's father could be significant. A father figure could be significant. What is this 1960 to 1980 here? Uncloak this energy. We got bank and this. I told y'all. It's coming out again. Volcanic island, and we just now saw the scorching. Okay, we got tent right beside that. A homeless community. I just saw reptilians. Ex-military. So somebody could have been stationed on something about station, like a volcanic island or something like that. Yeah, look into Spirit. I'm already knowing, baby. Yeah, someone wearing a badge in caves is significant. And remember, I told you I've been picked up caves, caving systems and children. I'm baby, please. What's this 1960 to 1980? This could be the year that somebody, if you relating to this, between the years that somebody here could have been born. This could also be talking about the years that somebody else was born. Okay? What's this 1960 to 1980? For friends, source, and loving ancestors. What is this? A spouse or partner? So somebody's spouse or partner. Okay? This could be a mother figure, a father figure. This, something like that. Okay? What's this bank? Somebody not being able to trap somebody. Burial, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, something was left to somebody here. Okay? Something was left to somebody here. What's this place of remnants? Should have left it alone. We got neighborhood and ex-military. We got fake death and we got healing. Yes, a motherfucker lied on paper and said that you were deceased, baby. Okay? Volcanic island. What is this? France. Something near water or underwater is significant. Somebody could be trying to run away because it's something covered up. It's something. It could be something that these people can't see. Okay, can't see, didn't see, something like that. Yeah, something is blowing up. Okay, this could be hypothetically speaking. This could be literally. Okay, I'm telling you. What's this tent? Greed, and homicide. Homeless community. Somebody taking somebody out here. Homeless community. Homeless people. Okay? There could be some, abuse and neglect. We got desert in reverse. Yo. Somebody could have left somebody because there was some sort of abuse or neglect. Okay? That could be significant, an abusive situation or something like that. Okay? This is crazy. So this could be, if you relate to this energy, Spirit could be saying look into something because it's a major reason as to why these bastards had a target on your back. Okay? I'm picking that up as well. Confirmation, I'm telling you. I'm telling you what I know. I'm telling you what I know. Okay? So that's everything I got for you, collective. I hope you all enjoyed.